Smart device displays. Starting off with shatterproof glass. It has a seamless interface such that the surface becomes seamless in its overall shape. In addition, it provides a very smooth, luxurious feel. This is why it is perfect for smartphones. And that is why shatterproof glass is commonly used. Gorilla Glass is a specialized toughened shatterproof glass that is scratch resistant. It is there to prevent deep scratches. The reason is, for glass, even though it may be very, very hard and very difficult to crack, if it has a deep scratch, that will be its weak point. And if power is added to that weak point, then that may be the place where the overall glass will crack. So therefore, you need protection to prevent deep scratches. To make it scratch resistant is very important, and that will overall give you the feature of becoming shatterproof. This was introduced at the Consumer Electronics Show in 2013 by Corning. Oleophobic coating. This is used on iPhones. The physical property of a molecule that is repelled from oil. This means oleophobic means fear of oil. This is used on smartphone surfaces for fingerprint resistant and anti-smudging. Overall, what happens is that we have oil on our fingers. In addition, we have oil on our face, as well as cosmetics have oils in it as well. So when we use our smartphone, it will easily get oily on the surface. To prevent this oil, oleophobic coating is a mechanism where it will repel oil. So oil on your hand, oil on your finger, oil on your face will stay on your face and on your hand, and not on the phone. So your phone will be shiny and clean. Although this is what is invested into creating the surface of your smartphone, a lot of cases people use protection film and protection tape on the surface of their smartphone, defeating the purpose of this expensive high-tech oleophobic coating. However, that's what people want to use, and that's what's done. However, on your original surface, this oleophobic coating has a special purpose and a special feature that you may enjoy more. AMOLED technology. This AMOLED is active matrix organic light emitting diode technology. And AMOLED and Super AMOLED technology are some of the great products that Samsung Electronics is very strong at. Looking into the details, AMOLED display technology is used in TVs and smartphones. OLED is organic light emitting diode. This is a thin film display technology that uses organic compounds from the electroluminescent material. And enhancements are shown in Super AMOLED, where this is with an integrated digitizer added on to the AMOLED display technology. What does this mean? Originally in smartphones, you had your AMOLED display, and on top you had a touch detection layer that was there. But this had some reflection characteristics. In addition, we had the AMOLED display, an additional layer added on, which made the overall display thicker, making your smartphone thicker. Therefore, instead of having this overlaid, an integrated digitizer, which is the touch sensing detection layer, is inside the AMOLED layer. That is what Super AMOLED technology is all about. What does this result in? Well, the characteristics of having a thinner display, making the smartphone thinner, as well as lower power consumption. In addition, improved sunlight reflection characteristics are achieved through Super AMOLED technology, and this improves the screen's outdoor viewing, making it brighter and easier to view outdoors. Then there's Super AMOLED Plus, where the traditional RGB stripe is used instead of the pentile RGBG matrix. It provides a brighter and more energy efficient performance than Super AMOLED, and it's used in Samsung Galaxy S2 smartphones. Then comes HD Super AMOLED technology, where the HD resolution, which is above 1280 by 720 Super AMOLED display, is supported. the pentile RGBG matrix is used, and this is used in Samsung Galaxy S3 and Note 1. The Full HD Super AMOLED is the next step in evolution of Super AMOLED technology, and this is based on a 1080p HD resolution Super AMOLED display, where when we talk about HD resolution at 1080p, this means that we have a 1980 by 1080 display number of pixels. The pentile RGBG matrix with a new sub-pixel arrangement called diamond pixel is used in this full HD Super AMOLED displays. This is used in Samsung Galaxy S4, S5, and Note 3. Then we have WQHD Super AMOLED. This is the WQHD resolution, which is above 2560 by 1440 Super AMOLED displays. The pentile RGBG matrix is used, and this is used in the Samsung Galaxy S6, S7, S8, Note 4, Note 5, and Note 8. The Note 8 is what we were looking into in its overall specifications. So this is the state of the art, and if you have a Note 8, this is what you have on your smartphone. Looking at other display technologies that are used, and these technologies that are now going to be explained in parts, of course, are already included in the Super AMOLED display techniques. In-plane switching, IPS. This is an LCD screen technology used for liquid crystal layer molecule orientation. So it's arranging and switching between the glass substrates. The characteristics are accurate color and consistent image from wide viewing angles. In addition, when the screen is touched, there's no tailing or lightning effect on the screen. What do you mean by that? Well, in older technologies, when you were touching a screen and you were moving your finger, you would see a tail of the light follow you around. That is what we call tailing. And these effects are eliminated using IPS technology. In addition, clear images and stable response times are achieved. LED backlit LCD display. The LED backlighting flat panel display technology is what is used. And this is an improvement compared to the former CCFL, the cold cathode fluorescent backlit LCDs. These were the former version of LCD display technology. What do you get? Well, improved images with greater dynamic contrast and wider dimming ranges. In addition, it results in a slimmer screen, which results in a reduced weight. More improvements include the RGB LED backlighting. This results in a wider color gamut. What is a color gamut? This is a range of colors identifiable by the human eye. So this means you have more colors. We have the effects of reduced heat emission, which reduces power consumption. This results in more reliable and longer product lifespans. These are the references that I use, and I recommend them to you. Thank you.